What is history? Made by Anirudh Agrawal, Class 6th, Modern Public School, Delhi. Meaning of history. Meaning of history is learning and knowing by inquiry. Time period in history. Time period in history are divided into three parts: prehistory, proto-history, and history. Prehistory. In prehistory, there are no written records available. 100% knowledge derived from archaeology. Digging deep into the ground, they discovered artifacts like pots, jewelry, tools, bones. Pots. These are the ancient pots. Jewelry. Tools. These are the tools that early humans used to hunt animals. Bones. Proto-history. In proto-history, there are only few written records available. Few archaeological sources also available. For example, Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. This is the picture of Indus Valley Civilization. History. Many written records available. Writings are done on rocks, pillars, copper plates, clay tablets, palm leaves, barks of birch trees. Written records on rocks. Written records on pillars. Written records on copper plates. Written records on clay tablets. Written records on palm leaves. Written records on barks of birch trees. Dates in history. Dates in history are expressed in BC and AD. BC is before Christ. They are counted backwards. AD is the year after the birth of Jesus Christ are expressed in AD. AD is equal to Anno Domini. How to calculate the time period between two dates in history? 261 BC, 99 BC, 80 BC, 0, 1 AD, 200 AD, 2015 AD. The time period between 261 BC and 99 BC is 162 years. And the time period between 261 BC and 2015 AD is equal to 2276 years. Now I will tell you that how I calculated the time period between these two dates. The time period in history between two dates, if there are same units like AD and AD or BC and BC, then we have minus both the days, like 261 BC minus 99 BC is equal to 162 years. But if there are different units, then we have to add it, like 2015 AD and 261 BC is equal to 2276 years. Sources of history. There are two types of sources of history: archaeological sources, monuments, artifacts, inscriptions, coins, and literary sources, religious literature and secular literature. Religious literature. Hinduism, Vedas, Puranas and Upanishad. Buddhism, Triptikas. Jainism, Kalpa Sutra. Secular literature. The Arthashastra by Kautilya, the Indica by Megasthenes, the plays and poems of Kalidas, the accounts of Fa Hin and Hyun Sang are examples of secular literature. Geography plays an important role in history. A large country like India has diverse geographical features: high mountains, hot deserts, fertile river valleys, numerous rivers. Himalaya Mountains. Himalaya Mountains. The Himalayan mountains act as a natural barrier between India and Central Asia. The passes through these mountains have acted as routes of contact since ancient India. Soldiers, merchants, traders, travelers, scholars, and others travel through these passes. Thank you very much and thank you for seeing the video. Please subscribe the video and make a like.